Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of clarinet accessories, and I'm excited to introduce what many consider the best clarinet strap on the market, the Rico Clarinet Neck Strap with Thumb Tab. Whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, having the right support is crucial, and this strap delivers just that. The Rico Clarinet Neck Strap is designed for both B-flat and A clarinets, making it versatile for various players. Crafted by D'Addario, this strap is not only stylish but incredibly functional. One of the standout features is the sturdy leather tab that securely attaches to most standard thumb rests. This ensures that your clarinet is held securely, allowing you to play comfortably without worrying about dropping your instrument. What I particularly love about this strap is the easy slide adjuster. With just a simple pull, you can quickly adjust the strap to your preferred length. This feature is especially beneficial for musicians who may share their instruments or just want to switch between different playing styles. It's all about convenience and comfort, and the Rico strap does not disappoint. Not only does this strap offer excellent support, but it also boasts an ergonomic design. Musicians often spend long hours practicing or performing, and having a strap that distributes weight evenly can make all the difference. This means less strain on your neck and shoulders, allowing you to focus entirely on your music. The material used is durable yet soft, ensuring that it won't irritate your skin during extended use. Plus, the modern aesthetic of the strap gives it a sleek look that fits well with any clarinet setup. So, to recap, the Rico Clarinet Neck Strap with Thumb Tab is not only practical but also stylish, durable, and comfortable. It has become a favorite for players of all levels, and it's easy to see why. If you're in the market for a new clarinet strap, I highly recommend giving the Rico Clarinet Neck Strap a try. With its combination of quality and functionality, it stands out as the best choice for any clarinetist. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, keep making beautiful music.